Yeah. You want to get something to share and then something separate? I don't want mashed potatoes either. There's gonna be too much going on. You like sweet potatoes?
I do like sweet potatoes. Yeah, cool. I know. I was
make it a little razzle dazzle healthy. But overall, like with me, with my health and fitness, I'm really just kind of taking it slow because I'm not too bad. You know what I'm saying? My body isn't too bad. I'm not too crazy.
You are perfect.
No, I'm not perfect.
Legit. Like there is nothing. Honestly, there is nothing that you have to fix.
Right.
It's all about your preference.
Pretty much.
And how you feel. Like I would look at you and be like, you got it going on, girl. So that's my thing. It's just all about, you know, because a lot of women that come to me are not even obese.
Really? I think we just
want to be healthy.
Yeah.
One and two, a lot of it is gut health too. They want their stomach better, like they will be like nice shape. They have nice, great shapes actually. And then they just have like a card. A lot of times it's moms.
Yeah, and see that's my thing too. Because I don't have like a big stomach, but when I blow, it's just a lot, you know. And it's not like crazy, but it's
noticeable.
It's noticeable.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, oh, and then it kind of like feels very uncomfortable. Because I'm like, damn, I wake up, stomach is like, you know, a good little size. And as soon as I touch and eat one thing, my stomach started like, it can be annoying.
And how's your water?
So
how are we going to let go?
But I'm gonna be honest, I think me drinking a lot of water too kind of bloats me.
That means something in your sodium, like your sodium is too high.
So hot, but I've been going to the gym on my lunch breaks too.
Good.
Because I feel like that's like in the middle of the day. I like going at like 4 or 5 in the morning, but I think my body kind of hit that plateau once Christmas break hit and I slept in. And girl, it's so hard once you slip and slide. More than you need. It's simple, but that's really cute. It's standard. I don't know if I like the white though, because I feel like. Relaxing. I needed to like chill and not do nothing. Sunday, back to reality. Everybody see it, all they do is see it, and then I'm just doing my thing, it's whatever. So I try to be more comfortable. Damn, I need a spoon, I need things, you know. Excuse me. I need silverware. They have plastic. Yeah, it gets awkward, but once I have it out, people see all they can do is look and get over it. Or tripods, tables, it makes sense.
Crazy.
guys, what's up? I know it's been a while since we chatted. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm making my egg rolls with some sweet potato fries. And it's been a minute since I actually talked to y'all. Like, what's up? How y'all doing? What's going on? And to my new subscribers, if you are new here, my name is Elsia. If you haven't already subscribed yet, I'll go ahead and give you a minute. There you go. You will definitely love it here. My channel is all about lifestyle, fitness, being a mom, just inspiration, motivation, all of that good stuff. A little bit of sprinkle of everything. So definitely make sure you subscribe so you do not miss an upload. I try to upload as often as I can, but I'm very realistic with my uploads. Like, I'm not just gonna come on camera, be doing the most just to show things. So my goal is to also inspire and to give you inspiration and to also motivate. So you'll love it here. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Like I said, I haven't had much going on, but I've really been trying to get back into the routine of things, get back into the swing of things, and school's about to start for the kids. And right now, like, my routine, I wouldn't say has been off, but it has definitely been off to where it's been messing with my flow of things a little bit. And if you're a mom, I know you can definitely relate, because you know, where if you're a routine-based person, a person that has structure, when you fall off the slope, baby, when you slip, you slide. Okay? When you slip, you slide. Typically, you know, I like to always make sure I give myself grace, because things happen. Everything ain't gonna be ABC order all the time. But let's be for real. Whenever things start to get a little chaotic, it does mess with you. Really looking forward to school opening back up, because girl, first of all, let's talk about it. Has there even been a summer? Like, what kind of summer was this? I feel like I had so much planned to do for the summer when it came down to my kids and just for myself, but then it's like, now we're already in July. Like, it's July 24th at this point. So what's up? What's going on? Like, this year, everything has just been flying by, and honestly, it's been a little annoying, because I feel like before I'm even able to like do one thing, something else comes up that I have to take care of, to where it delays one thing, and it just could be a lot. You know, so I've just been trying to keep things slow pace, and literally just focus on one thing at a time, because I'm a type of person, I have like 50 tabs in my brain. And if I'm not tackling everything all at one time, I feel unaccomplished. I feel like I'm not doing nothing with myself. But I had to realize, like, baby girl, slow it down. Slow it down. So this message is for you too. Slow it down. Like, you don't need to be doing 50 things for you to feel productive. You know, focus on one thing, knock that out, move on to the next one. And this is definitely what I tell myself all the time, because I like to feel like I'm accomplishing things, I'm doing things to just feel better about myself and with my journey and my goals. But sometimes you gotta understand too, like, you just gotta slow it down. Ain't no rush. Like, I know sometimes we feel like we have to rush in life, because you just never know what tomorrow brings. And when you have children, when you have people looking up to you, or a lot of responsibilities, you feel like you have to definitely take care of everything all at once. I'm just in a slow it down mode, and I was reflecting this morning, and I was just like, dang, I had to really sit down and pause and tell myself, girl, I'm proud of you, because you've overcame so many things that could have probably broke another person. But even though at the moment you were probably broken, but you still held it together. You still did what you had to do. You know what I mean? So that's why I had to kind of sit still. And I actually journaled this morning. I haven't journaled as much at all. The journal that I do write in is a journal that I also created myself on Amazon. So if you're interested, definitely go on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Go ahead and, you know, support your girl or whatnot. I do have, I do want to definitely create more journals and just books of inspiration. You know, things to just inspire you to just do better with your life, set goals. So look out for that also. For the most part, I want to get back into my journaling and just reading a devotional, something quick and something that's not going to be too overwhelming to where it adds extra steps to my morning routine, to now I feel like, oh my God, I got to shuffle to do this, do that, you know, because like I said, school's about to open, and that's going to be a routine itself. Getting my little one up, making breakfast, getting him together, taking him to school, coming back, doing this, clocking in, shower. It's just a whole lot. So I don't want to add extra things to my plate to where I can't eat all up, you know? I definitely felt great this morning. I got up, I got a good night's rest. That's something that I'm also making sure that I'm incorporating too, getting a good night's rest, making sure I'm, you know, going to sleep at a good time. I'm taking my magnesium too, so I can actually stay asleep throughout the night versus constantly waking up and, you know, peak hours.
because that happens to me a lot. So I'm back on my magnesium, because magnesium glycinate actually helps me sleep, and I got mine from Amazon. I'll link that one down below as well. And if I forget, remind me, because sometimes when you're watching these videos through, you forget to link things, but I'll definitely link it. So those are the small things that I've been making sure I do to keep myself on track. You know what I mean? So if you guys have any tips too, let me know, girl. Let me know what y'all do. Mom, parents, whatever, let me know what you guys do to kind of keep yourself on track and to stay afloat. Because life be lifing. I don't care how good people make it seem on social media, how many pretty pictures they post, how many reels, how many this, how many that. Listen, life be lifing. Okay? Let's get that straight. But overall, I'm just really proud of myself, really proud of how I'm able to navigate life on my own with little to no help. And I talk about it in the past a little bit, but it's just me, and I don't really have a big support system. And while most times that does take a toll on me, I've managed to tell myself, you got this, you've been doing it, you could do it. And of course, sometimes trying to stay positive and faking the funk is not my thing, but realistically, I give myself a good 24 to 72 hours, like of kind of feeling in a slump. If that means me laying down all day, not doing not a damn thing, I'm gonna do it. If that means me just piling up, eating me some snacks all day, I'm gonna do it. Because I gotta let all that out of my system. And then once I bounce back, maybe I'll bounce back. I'm a very realistic person. I don't try to put too much weight on myself when I don't need to. And right now, like I said, I'm learning to make sure I give myself grace and credit myself. You know, because sometimes we look for credit and validation from others, but you gotta look for it internally. Like, give yourself credit. Talk to yourself if you have to, because baby, one thing about me, I'm gonna have a personal meeting. I definitely be having my personal meetings, Dad. I'm not gonna bore y'all too long. I am literally really hungry. It is 1:40 right now. I'm starving. I need some food, and I'm gonna definitely go ahead and eat this, and I'll catch up with you guys later. You gonna win today? Put your game face on. Put your game face on. Alright, go ahead, do your thing. Good luck. Love you.
Got $3 on the rain, caught in the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since.
Come on, Gio! Come on, Gio! Yes!
Try to tote that Drake on London, and it's extended. They got a stretcher, nigga. How we gon' die for this shit? Yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie my bitch. We some poor, high class niggas made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band, though, got a penthouse for a
Come on, baby! Come on, Gio!
I got pink toes that talk different languages. Got promethazine in my blood on purpose.
Hey! Okay. Hey!
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Like this, I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I'm trying to see what I'm gonna order with Cheesecake Factory is always a hit. Y'all remember that TikTok when the girl was tripping about the guy taking her on a date to Cheesecake Factory? Like, girl, Cheesecake Factory is that girl. So what you mad about? But I think I'm gonna probably get. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm probably gonna get the. Oh shit. What was it? The spicy chicken chipotle pasta. I'm gonna try that. I don't think I've tried that one. Because it comes with honey glazed chicken. But I don't want asparagus though. I don't like asparagus.
I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself.
This bread, baby, they be doing what they doing. Cause child, I'm already on the second one. The white one's a little harder. But this bread right here is something serious. And then can I also have like another one of these too? You know what? Please, and the water. Thank you.
Chateau, my mom got the Louis off the shelf. Now my bitch is nigga to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract girl, no baby. In the meantime, it's the me time. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown.